here today with Skylar, his channel stay_spoolin. Old name was Big Single 67. We are here today looking at his pretty nasty white 4th gen. So Skylar, you want to give us the rundown on this rig?
Basically, right now it's just a single turbo setup. It's got a single 80 on here with some decent sized injectors, twin stock fuelers. CP3s is what I mean by fuelers. Got the AirDog 200. EFI by Ryan, just a couple of basics. The motor is not a Cummins block, and the transmission is not a 68. I did the swap to the 47, fully built 47 3 Suncoast. I have a Kilduff ratchet shifter on there that I just put on there. Got the PCS controller also to run my overdrive and lockup off of whatever I want. And I can always just hook the PCS directly up to it, back up to it, and make it run as an automatic.
Awesome.
So it's not too bad. It's just a basic right now. I'm waiting on tunes and stuff like that. It made a little bit over 800, so without a tune. So we'll see what it does here in the near future.
Nice. So I know a lot of people in the comments are more than likely going to ask what the wheel and tire setup on this truck is.
They're American Force Heroes, I believe. It's just a translucent copper over top of polished rims. Then I have the Proxy 2s, I believe, tires. They're 305s. I'm gonna get the new Proxy 3s as soon as these go out. I don't have much longer. So.
Boost launches help, huh?
Yeah.
And is it leveled?
Yeah, it's just leveled. I got shock tower deletes in my truck now for whenever I do some other stuff. But I'll probably end up getting rid of the level when I do the shock tower deletes. I'm not sure yet. So we'll see. We'll see when the time comes.
Sweet, sweet. So, you got any future plans for, you know, under the hood? And
yeah, that's what I was talking about. As soon as I get my, I'm getting rid of the 1st gen, and we're gonna do something crazy with this truck, and I'll have to get those shock tower deletes.
So it's a big surprise, huh?
Yeah, somewhat. I haven't really said anything, or no one really knows yet, so.
Awesome.
Hence the name change.
And it's a T6. Which manifold is it?
That's the Steed Speed.
Okay. Very
Borg
nice.
Warner it's a Borg Warner turbo, and it's got the race cover and stuff like that through forced inductions, I believe is what it's called.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Anything else with the truck you want to share?
I can't remember what company. It's got a cam in it, but I don't know what company and what size. I can't remember. They went through so many different ones trying to figure out the problem that was originally happening, which was the wiring harness that got hit when my old motor blew up.
Ooh.
So we couldn't figure out why it was doing what it was doing, so we kept on swapping cams out, and finally settled with this one, and I put a new wiring harness on here, and now it's where it's at.
Cool. All right, man. Well, you heard it from him. It's a big surprise what's gonna happen under the hood here in the future, but thank you for showing us the truck.
Oh yeah.
And looking forward to the big changes.
I'm ready for them. I'm ready. So.
Gotta eat some more Mustangs.
Yeah.
All right, guys. That is Skylar's 4th gen very nice truck and pretty badass. So I think we'll maybe get a startup clip so you can hear what the T6 sounds like. It sounds nasty, very nasty. So let me get this thing set up real quick and have a listen.